What's up guys, it's DandaREAPER and I'm bringing you a nice little video of Total Miner Forge. This is the multiplayer update 1. As you can see, look, NPC or MPB, whatever it is. But yeah, this is a new world I'm going to be doing, and I've already built a bit on it. This little entrance bit, starting bit, nice little thing. It'll have some. Might have some NPCs here instead of these. Don't know yet, but yeah. Look, we've got a. If I go game, no, it's play. I think it's options. No, game options. There you go. Look at that. Massive piece of land. You can still rendering, well, loading, but it's massive. So yeah, it's a little starting bit. If you want to join me and come build some stuff on it, you're more than welcome to. It's a little starting bit, look, and yeah, you'll be able to build some stuff on it and everything, houses, all sorts. I don't mind, but look, massive piece of land. I think my multiplayer's on. I'll show you. Oh wait, I'll just delete those. I think he's online. If he is, I'll invite him to the game. No, yeah. There we go. I thought. There we go. Yeah, this is my world. I will build what you want to. Just comment below what you want to see in these videos of Total Miner Creative. Let's build. I'll call Let's Build. I will ask Touchy if I can, well, Quick, if I can put if I can do Let's Build, because he's already taken it. But at the moment it'll be Total Miner Creative or something. Yeah, that's enjoying. Yeah, this is my starting little bit, and yeah, I'll soon have plots and land and houses and stuff if people want to join. We have all the stock here, all of it. But if you do get grief, you'll instantly kicked and banned from my server. I do not accept griefing unless we build a little arena where you can just people can just build crap objects like that and just start griefing it. But that's in the future. If people see this video and likes it and starts joining, I will certainly more than welcome do that. Yeah. Just please. Wrong one. Yes. That one. We want that. There we go. Guard. Yep, we want a guard. There we go. It's a bit quiet then, weirdly. There we go. Guard again. There we go. Fuck's sake. Yeah, because I really do like to some videos. Shit, wrong one. Ah, flipping out. There we go. do this. There we go. Little thing here. Halt, state your business. What does that one say? Halt, state your business. Oh well. Yeah, there we go. Nice little cards on the side. Little build. Do. Shit. Yeah. I love this game to bits. But I do like to, I will like to other people to join me, play the game with me. Before we got, yeah. So we'll have brick. Is that alright? What we got. Oh, we'll have brick. There we go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. I guess I'll just go here. Forward. Yeah. There we go. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's a bit big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Yeah. I'm hoping that I will get on touches. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I am hoping I will get to go on touches server at some point. Yeah. Fucking music keeps going weird. Yeah.